EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin with your outlook for December 2nd, 2024. It is Monday. We are back to work after the holiday weekend, and Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania, sponsors the Monday video forecast. Christmas is a special time of year full of joy, love, and, of course, delicious food. From gingerbread cookies to grand family feast, food brings us all together. Stop on by and visit Kinsley's ShopRite. They have all of your holiday favorites, from elegant prime rib, the freshest seafood, the sweetest desserts, and holiday wines. Their catering department offers an extensive holiday menu for family get-togethers or holiday parties. So eat, drink, and be merry. They are Kinsley's ShopRite in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania, proud sponsors of the Monday video forecast. So we're going to be moderating with the temperatures over the next couple of days a little bit. It's still going to be below average, don't get the wrong idea, but mostly sunny skies the next couple of days. Getting on close to the 40-degree mark on both days, both today and tomorrow. Not much difference as you see above me. 38 to 42 is the spread today, 39 to 43 on Tuesday. Both days are going to be mostly sunny and mostly clear overnight period. The overnight period is still going to be plenty cold, just like we have been seeing over the past couple of days. Our attention is going to turn to the midweek period because we have a clipper system that's going to be moving toward us. And I don't want you to think that this is going to be all of a sudden turned into some big snowstorm, but there is going to be some snow involved with this as this dives down from the Great Lakes. There will be some snow in our region that's actually going to be, it's not so much that we're going to get snow out of this that's going to be noteworthy, but it's going to be poorly timed. And what I mean by that is it's coming in later overnight, Wednesday night and Thursday morning, so this could affect like the morning commute here on Thursday morning, which we have not really had to deal with that much so far this winter for most areas. And this snow's going to get pretty far south because it's coming at a time when the overnight temperatures are cold enough to support snow. This is looking like a lot of coating to an inch stuff, and this is looking at the 24-hour snowfall projections right now. You can see a lot of coating to an inch type stuff here. That's generally what we're dealing with. So again, it doesn't take much snow to cause problems on area roadways, and if it's coming in early in the morning, wee hours of the morning of Thursday morning, and then it's going to continue into the morning, you're going to have some issues for the morning commute in some spots. So we'll keep a close eye on this. This is probably not a map-worthy event. We usually don't make snow maps for according to an inch, but in this case, there will be certainly text alerts for that sent for the Wine Pocket meteorologist customers because they get it for any amount of snow that is at least with the upside of an inch. Okay, so that is going to be later this week. We'll continue to follow this for the next couple of days to see what we're dealing with in exact timing. The NAM's not quite in range yet, and some of the other short range models, but it is something we're certainly going to follow. And then in the wake of this, if you notice, as this pulls away, you got a very tight pressure gradient here. That's by these black lines. These lines are isobars. These are lines of equal pressure, and they're very close together. That's because you have strong low pressure in the vicinity, and you have this big high pressure out here that's going to be coming in afterwards. And so the difference in pressure between the two, between the high and low pressure, are going to cause a pressure gradient, and a tight one at that. And that means we're going to have windy conditions on Thursday. So in the wake of this, probably not early in the morning until that system pulls away, we get later in the day, we're going to have some wind gusts here that are in the 35 to 45 mile per hour range possibly. So it's pretty high wind gust, and that's going to be a very windy day on Thursday afternoon. So not a good day to have those inflatable lawn ornaments on your, out on your lawn there, the blow up things that I'm talking about, because they're going to take a ride if you're not properly secured. So we'll watch the wind aspect of that in the wake of that system. That would be in the wake of it, not beforehand. So we don't have any wind issues either of the next couple of days. Actually, Wednesday won't be bad either. It's really when you get to Thursday afternoon is when this really starts cranking, and there could be certainly some power outage concerns with that as well, as we have that wind picking up. But it does abate pretty quickly, though, on Friday, because, again, this high pressure is moving in. When you have high pressure moving in, and the closer it gets, you have less of a pressure gradient, and the wind comes down considerably. Still probably about 10 to 15 or so, with gusts 20 to 25 here on Friday. But we are going to have intervals of clouds and sun on Friday. Saturday is a partly to mostly cloudy day. We have this little weak short wave, might touch off a few snow showers, but it's not enough to, it doesn't look like right now it's going to be something that's going to affect our area, so we left it out of the local forecast and just have partly to mostly cloudy skies with this system in the vicinity. It looks like it's going to take a ride to the south. There will be another clipper system that we'll have to watch for Sunday evening and overnight for some more snow possibly. Again, this will be clippers don't really produce a whole lot of snow But again, it's just a poor timing issue with that Thursday morning commute, so we want to keep an eye on that. The same would go here in this case for maybe Monday morning, the following Monday, so we'll see. Clippers are hard to diagnose this far in advance because they kind of, we were looking at this a couple days ago. This one is coming in on Wednesday night and Thursday morning. It looked like it might have a little more juice to it. Well, now it doesn't. Okay, so that's looking like it's going to be a lesser amount of snow, which is typically the case with Clippers. But whatever it looks like now isn't necessarily what it's going to look like in a couple days. So just keep following back throughout the week, and we'll give you updates on anything subsequent, or anything that's coming in subsequent to this, which would be sometime this weekend. So we'll follow that. Let's get back past the first one for now. And again, we're looking at generally coating to 1-inch amounts as it stands right now. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martish. That is your outlook for December 2nd, 2024. Have a great Monday.